Good morning, student. In the second class of calculus, I will show you how the concept of slope is coming here in the calculus and how we are finding it. So, basically, let it's a slope, sorry, curvature. So, at that particular point, I need the slope. At that particular point, I need the slope. I want to find out the slope of that curvature. So basically draw a quadrant like that. For the quadrant, it's a like it's x x dash, it's a y dash, and it is 0. Fine. So what is slope? Basically the tangent makes an angle with positive x-axis is called slope. So like that, it's a positive x-axis. So tan value of that tan theta will be the slope. So how it is related to tan theta? Sorry, dy dx. So dy dx means derivative. So first we will make a division of maybe equal parts of that line. And for each section, if we want to find out the curvature like that, okay, so not this line will not be there, curvature will like that. So for that I need to sorry, I forgot the duster. So for that I need to find the tan value of that. So one thing is important here, that if this is a curvature, and how minimum the distance is, like if it is h, so if h is the distance of the two line and it is going to near, or it is going to nearer to 0, that means the accurate value we will get. Understand? So how the, if the h is nearer to 0, then the value is accurate. So as much as possible we will make it nearer to 0, the width of that division. Understand very carefully. We want to divide it by separating one by one, and how much small is the length of that particular width is, then the value will be accurate of the slope. So basically we wanting to do that limit h tends to 0 for any derivation part. Okay, now come to that thing, that if it is a slope like that, we want to find out the tangent value. So if we make a section like that, understand very carefully. So understand very carefully, it's a making a triangle. So I am doing, or I am drawing a triangle in a larger way. Okay, in a larger way. So this is the theta, and this will be exactly to the correspondence with x-axis. This will be exactly equal to the correspondence to the x-axis. So this theta and this theta will be equal. Now it is fx function, and it is f of what is the value? It is x plus h. So it will be sorry, the value will be here, and understand very carefully, it is x, and it is x plus h because the width is h. Now for that x we are getting this curvature like function of fx, function of x, and it will be f of x plus h. So for that, how we can get the tan value? Tan value means this height by base. So this height means this is fx plus h, this is fx plus h. Okay, and this height is fx or this height is fx. So the distance is, but so for that here tan theta will be f of x plus h minus fx. And what is the base? This is x, this is x, and this is up to that value from x axis. This is x plus h. So now this value will be x plus h minus x. So the base will be x plus h minus x. So basically tan theta we are getting function of x plus h minus fx by x will be cancel out h. So we are converting tan theta equals to f of x plus h minus fx by h. So understand very carefully, it's an important part we are covering here, that tan theta equals to f of x plus h minus fx by h. Fine. And it is the this is equals to dy by dx. What is y? We can write here d of fx by dx. D of fx by dx. So now understand very carefully. This is the introduction of calculus, and function is what is the y value in terms of x. Putting the value of x in an equation, we are getting the value of y. This is basically function. So it's an introductory class of how the tan theta is converting to the derivative. In the next class, I will show you how the sine theta cos theta, you know the derivative of cos theta is sine theta is cos theta, derivative of cos theta equals to minus sine theta. So I will show you using this formula, and I will derive the value of sine theta cos theta, not only sine theta cos theta, any value. But in the next class, I will show you only the sine theta and cos theta as a derivative, and how the derivative value of sine theta and cos theta is coming out. Thanks for watching today's class. We will discussing about calculus, and you are watching You Will Love Math for beautiful mathematics content, beautiful mathematics learning. Thanks for watching You Will Love Math.